Okay, we're out here today and we're going to show off our hole cleaner we've got. These things are a lifesaver. All the excess junk you've got left in a hole after you auger it out, instead of doing it by hand the old-fashioned way, we've got new and improved method here, and this thing will save you a boatload of time on your job sites. So we're going to have a little challenge here. We've got some holes dug, and this side is going to be done by the cleaner, and this side is going to be done by hand. We've got a willing guy here ready to clean some holes out. First hole, it's pretty shallow there, so we didn't get water. It's just plain old dirt. Then we're going to amp it up a little bit. We've got mud and water in each one of these holes. After that, we've got some sand. Some loose sandy soil is just going to be a pain to clean out by hand. Cleaner's going to do that no problem. And then when they're really tired, we've got some rocks and gravel in these here. So we're going to see how well he can do against the machine. There you go!
We'll give him a head start.
He's already giving him a head start. I think Ez is holding back on him. Got some soupy stuff in the bottom of that hole. Well, we're getting there. We've got a pretty good pile going. Back here, this one's kind of hard to tell. It's got some water in it. Ah, give her one more turn. He needs to catch up anyways. Going to the third one. We'll check out this sandy hole. Look at that thing. This is getting wild. He's handed it off to Matt here, and Matt's going to town. He got a little extra reach on him, I think. Oh man, that's pretty clean, Ez. Chunk there. That's a pretty flat bottom in that hole. We had the hand guys, they cried foul because there was one piece in the sand hole that got left behind. We're going to make Ez clean it out. I think he's still going to win. Oh, there we go. Okay. See how this thing does with the rocks. turn in that one. Just a little bit left behind. That's good. Let's check back in on Matt here. Wow, that hole is ready to pour a footing in, I would say. Done. 7 minutes. This hole, that mud hole, oh, that's sloppy stuff to do by hand. That hole there, nice and clean. You got that one pretty good by hand. A lot slower.
Hey, Brian, have at it.
Well, moving on to the third one.
Yeah, you want to finish the last two?
Maybe you ought to help him with the rocks. Brian, how old are you? Like 30?
44.
44? Well, still, he's young and agile. And you're what, 74 is? And still going strong, cleaning holes faster than a 44-year-old. We'll have to check back in 10 minutes and see if the holes are done over here.